Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 5, memories and programmable devices. Okay, so in this session I am going to discuss introduction to the memories, okay, some definitions and its classifications, and material data retention, and speed, storage capacity, and cost, and its applications of the memory and programmable devices. Okay, next, see here, computer memory is a physical device which is capable of storing the information temporarily or permanently. Okay, so for example, there is a random access memory, RAM. Okay, and also the term memory meaning is primary storage. Okay, the memory means you are going to store the some kind of a data. Okay, the main memory is used with the addressable semiconductor memory only. Okay, and also the integrated circuit consists of a silicon based miniaturized circuits. Okay, though minor circuits are involved in that. Okay, so the miniaturized components. Okay, and also there is a example for the primary storage. It means the computers and other electronic devices which are comes in a primary storage. Okay, and also the most of the semiconductor memory, okay, that is organized in a memory cells or a bistable flip-flops. Okay, storage device is storing one bit of information, that is 0 or 1, and also there is a flash memory. Organization includes both 1 bit per memory cells and multiple bits per cells. Okay, and also the memory cells are grouped into words of fixed word length of 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 128 bits. Okay, each word can be accessed by a binary address of n bits, making it possible to store 2 raised to n word in the memories. Okay, and also the location of the data unit in the memory is called as a address. Okay, and also in a PC there is a PCs, the byte is the smallest unit of the data that can be addressed in the two-dimensional array. A byte is address accessed by the supplying a row number. Okay, row numbers to be provided. Okay, and also the classification, next is the classification of the memories. Memories are mainly classified into two types. First one is the internal memory and external memory. Internal memory is a cache memory and a primary memory or a main memory. We can call it as a primary or a main memory. External memory, okay, so sorry, we can name as a internal memory or external memory. Internal memory, they we are naming it as cache memory or a primary or main memory. External means secondary memory. Okay, so you can observe this graph. Okay, there is a secondary memory, there is a mass storage, primary memory, main storage, DRAM, static RAM. Okay, SRAM, cache memory is the SRAM, static RAM, D is the dynamic RAM, flash hard disk is the external memory, permanent storage area, internal memory is the temporary storage area. Speed, cost for bits. Okay, speed is the cost per bits will be there. Okay, there will be another main classification is given. Semiconductor memories, there are serial access and random access, first in first out. Okay, and also last in first out. Okay, and also random access, read or write, read only, SRAM, static RAM, dynamic RAM, ROM, NV. Okay, read and write. Okay, PLD, ROM, electrically erasable programmable random read only memory. Okay, EEP, electrically erasable programmable read only memory, and flash. Okay, these are comes in the memory classifications. Okay, thank you.